Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do an unboxing of the brand new Root EMG pickups. So this is his brand new set of retroactive pickups. I just got this in the mail. My plan with these is to install them in my Root Jazzmaster. But this is my first time seeing how the box and everything looks like. Obviously, I seen in the photos, of his new Made in Mexico Jazzmaster. But obviously I haven't seen how they come, in a box and stuff. So I ordered this from Sweetwater because I was hoping for, quick shipping for me to get them. I pre-ordered them maybe like a month ago or something. But here they are. Check this out, guys. This is awesome. What do we got here? Root Daemonum EMG. And here it just says, welcome to the world of EMG. EMG active and passive pickups and accessories are designed and built in Santa Rosa, California. Just a description of EMG and stuff. So let's pop these bad boys open. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, I'm super excited about these. Like I told you guys in my previous videos, I've had a lot of guitars with EMG pickups. EMG 8185 or 8160. So I really wanted the Root Jazzmaster, the Made in USA one I have. But I just, I wanted some other pickups in it. But, I like the guitar so much. I still got it with the EMG 8160. But when these got announced, obviously he's been talking about these for a while. But I guess developing them took a little bit. So he's been talking about them, and obviously I've wanted them since he started talking about them. So here's the inner sleeve, and here's a black box. Let's see what comes in here. So these are quick connect pickups. So if you have a newer set of EMG pickups, all you have to do is just, pop these in. And you don't have to wire them or anything. But obviously if you have a guitar with some passive pickups or not EMG pickups, you're gonna have to wire them up. But it's super easy with this quick connect kit. I put this in my Tom DeLonge Squire guitar that I kind of remade, and it was super easy with this quick connect. One of my LTDs, I had EMGs in there before too. And I ordered this EMG Quick Connect kit because I think it's a cleaner install. But yeah, let's take a look. So I opted to get the Zebra setup. They come in Zebra or just black. And he has this Zebra set in his Made in Mexico Jazzmaster that's coming out. I think it's in March. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think it's March that it's coming out. These pickups come out before the guitar. So super cool. You have this vintage, old school kind of vibe on these. But they're obviously still active EMG pickups. Retroactive. So yeah. On the back of them, it says EMG JRN. So obviously that's for neck. And here we got EMG JRB for bridge. These stickers are coming off really easy. I don't know why. But yeah, obviously here's the wiring, which I won't be using it because I'll just pop them into my Jazzmaster. And here we have, oh, that's cool. So it tells you the pickup on that little pick they give you in this set, and you have an EMG sticker. But yeah, these are the pickups, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna do some samples of tones and stuff with the EMG 8160 that is in my Jazzmaster right now, and I'll play the same riffs with these pickups so you guys can get a general idea of how these sound. And if you want to update your Root Jazzmaster with these pickups, or if you want to pick up the new Jazzmaster he's coming out with. So yeah, thanks for checking out this video, guys, and stay tuned for the videos I mentioned. Thank you.